We are given a function fx which reads 3x squared minus 6x plus p. We are told that it has two equal roots. We are required to find p, a constant. To work this out, first of all, we're going to look at a standard quadratic function, which is usually ax squared plus bx plus c. If it has two equal roots, then it follows that the discriminant b squared minus 4ac must be equal to 0. In the function that we were given of 3x squared minus 6x plus p, it's easy to see that the value of a is 3, the value of b is negative 6, and c is that unknown p. So we're going to put those values into our discriminant to find the value of p. So we're going to have b squared being minus 6 squared minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is p, and that gives us 36 minus 12p is equal to 0. We're going to move minus 12p to the right hand side, and that gives us 36 is equal to 12p. After that, to get p, we're going to divide by 12 on both sides so that p is equal to 3. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel.